Good day, ma'am. I am James Howard Saldia from BSHM 3A, and today I will discuss about Chapter 14, Insurance Law. So our topic outline for today are insurance, definition and concept, the essential elements of insurance contract, the characteristics of an insurance contract, the parties in an insurance contracts, insurable interest in a group insurance, insurable interest in property, beneficiary, fire, marine, and third-party liability insurance, marine insurance, the essential elements of valid insurance contract, compulsory motor vehicle liability insurance, war risk insurance. So our learning objectives for today are enumerate items that can be insured by a tourism establishment, identify the rationale behind the concept of insurance, explain the different kinds of insurance, identify the advantages and disadvantages of having insurance. Insurance is very useful for companies engaged in the tourism industry because these are many kinds of risks in enterprises where investment is oftentimes quite substantial. An employer may subscribe to a group's insurance for employees as a part of the employee benefit program. Definition and concept. The law, section 2, a contract of a contract a contract of insurance is agreement whereby one undertakes for a consideration to indemnify another against loss, damage, or liability arising from an unknown or contingent event. The essential elements of an insurance contract are insurable interest, existing of risk, assumption of such risk by insurer, said assumption being part of the general scheme to distribute actual losses among those bearing similar risks, payment of premium. The characteristics of an insurance contract are aleatory. aleatory. There is an element of risk, and aleatory contract is one where the obligation depends upon the occurrence of an uncertain event, as in the case of fire insurance, or one certain to happen but in a indeterminate time, example death in a life of insurance. B. Contract of indemnity. There is an exchange of value for value, particularly in a property insurance. C. Aneros. There is a valuable consideration given payment of premium. D. Bilateral. Both parties are bound to do something. And lastly, E. Formal. As to form, a policy is required to be issued and premium must be paid. The parties is an insurance contract are insurer, a person, partnership, association, or corporation duly authorized to contract as an insurance business. B. Insured, a person with an insurable interest who stands to benefit from policy of insurance in its strict sense. The insured party is the owner of the purchasers of the policy, even though the benefit of the insurance may accrue to someone else. And C. Beneficiary, a person designated by the terms of the policy to receive the proceeds of the insurance policy upon the happening of the event insured against. It is the person named in the insurance policy as the one of the received proceed or benefit occurring thereunder. Insurance contract may refer to the following: life insurance, an insurance of human lives, and insurance appertaining thereto or connected therewith. B. Fire insurance, which include loss by fire, lightning, windstorm, tornado, or earthquake under the separate policy, and other allied risks when such risks are covered to the extent fire insurance policies. Marine insurance, a contract whereby one, for a consideration, agrees to indemnify another for a loss or damage in a certain interest, subject to marine risk by certain perils of the sea or specified casualties during a voyage voyage or fixed period. Personal accidents insurance, an insurance where it provides pecuniary compensation for expenses or losses of income brought about by the death or bodily injury arising from violent, external, visible, and accidental means. Insurable interest, the law. Section 10. Every person has an insurable interest in the life and health of any person who he depends wholly or in a part of education or support, or him who will pecuniary interest of any person under legal obligation to him to the payment of money or respecting property or services of which death or illness might delay or prevent the performance. Section 13. Every interest in property, whether real or personal, or any relation thereto or liability in respect thereof such nature that contemplated peril might directly indemnify the insurable interest. Section 14. An insurable interest in property may consist in an existing interest, declared interest founded the existing interest, an expectancy coupled with the existing interest that out of which expectancy arises. Section 15. A carrier or depository of kind as insurable interest in a kind of held by him as such to extent of his liability but not to exist the value thereof. Insurable interest is that relationship with a person or thing that will support the issuance of the insurance policy. A person is usually regarded as having an insurable interest in the subject matter insured when he will pecuniary benefit of advantage from preservation or will suffer pecuniary loss or damage from its destructions. Insurable interest in a group insurance. Any person so related to another either by contract or commercial relation may lawfully procure insurance on the other life. Those employer may be insure the life of employee and vice versa. Insurable interest in property. In property insurance, it is important that insurable interest must exist when the insurance tells effect and when the loss occurs of 18. In the marine insurance, the owner of the ship has all cases in insurable interest in it, even when it has been chartered by one who convenient to pay him its value to case of loss, provided that in this case the insurer shall be liable for only the part of the loss which the insured cannot be recovered from the charterer. Beneficiaries, the law. Section 18. No contract or policy of insurance of property shall be enforceable exempt the benefits of some person having insurable interest in the property insured. Section 19. An interest in property insured must exist when the insurable takes effect and when the loss occurs but not exist in the meantime. An interest in the life and health of a person insured must exist when the insurance takes effect but not exist thereafter of when the loss occurs. Marine or fire, marine, and third-party liability insurance. Marine insurance. Section 99. Marine insurance includes insurance against loss of the damage to uh, vessels, crafts, aircrafts, vehicles, goods, freight, cargoes, merchandise effects, distributions, profits, money, securities, choices in action, evidence of debts, valuable papers, monetary and respondent, respondentia interest, and all kinds of property and interest therein, in respect to appertaining to or in a connection with the all risks of perils of navigation, transit or transportation, or while being a symbol pack, created, built, compressed, or similarly prepared for a shipment or while waiting shipment, or during any delays, storage, transshipment, or reshipment, accident thereto, including war risks, marine builders risks, and all personal property floaters risks. Person or property in a connection with the appertaining to a marine, island marine, transit, or transportation insurance, including liability for all loss, damage arising out of and in connection with the construction, repair, operation, maintenance, or use the subject matter of the such insurance, but not including the life insurance or surety bonds, nor insurance against loss by reason of the bodily injury to any person arising out of the ownership, maintenance, or use of motobiles, precious stones, jewels, precious metals, whether in the course of transportation or otherwise. Lastly, bridges, tunnels, and other instrumentalities or transportation of communication, excluding buildings, their furniture and furnishings, fixed contents, and supplies held in the storage. Piers, wharves, docks, slips, and other aids of navigation transportation, including the dry docks and marine railways, dams, appurtenant facilities for the control of waterways. Marine protection and indemnity insurance, meaning insurance against or against legal liability of insured for a loss, damage, or expense accidents to ownership, operation, catering, maintenance, use, repair, or construction of any vessels, craft, or instrumentality in the use of ocean or island waterways, including liability of the insured of personal injuries, illness, or death, or loss of or damage to property of another person. The essential elements of valid insurance contracts are as follows: insurable interest, existing of risk, assumption of such risk by insurer, said assumption being part of general scheme to distribute actual losses among those bearing similar risks, and payment of premium. Compulsory motor vehicle liability insurance. The law. Motor vehicle is any vehicle as defined as a Section 3 paragraph of Republic Act Number 4136, otherwise known as a Land Transportation and Traffic Code, as amended 1455. Passenger is any fare paying a person being transferred or conveyed by a motor vehicle for transportation of passengers for consumption, including person expressly authorized by law, the vehicle operators or his agents to ride without fare. C. Third party is any person other than a passenger as defined as this section, and shall be exclude a member of the household or member of the family within a second degree of consanguinity or affinity of a motor vehicle owner or land transportation operator, as likewise defined herein his employee in respect to death or bodily injury arising out and its course employment. Land transportation operator means the owner or owners of motor vehicles for transportation of passengers for compensation, including school buses. Insurance policy or policy refers to the contract of insurance against passengers and third-party liability for death and bodily injuries arising from motor vehicle accidents. Section 374, it should be unlawful for any land transportation operator to operate the same in the public highways unless there is an in force of relation thereto policy of insurance or guarantee in cash or surety bond in accordance with the provisions of this chapter to indemnify the death, bodily injured, and or damage to property of third party or passengers, as the case may be arising from the use of thereof. Section 377, every land transportation operator and every owner of the motor vehicle should before applying for the registration or renewal of registration of any motor vehicle at this option, either secure an insurance policy of surety bond issued by the insurance company authorized by commissioner, or make a cash deposit in such amount wherein required as a limit of liability for purposes specified in section 374. Any claim for death or injury to a passenger or third party pursuant to the provision of compulsory motor vehicle liability insurance should be paid without the necessity of providing fault or negligence of any kind provided. Number 1, the total indemnity in respect of any one person should not exceed 5,000 pesos. Number 2, there must be submission of the following documents of subscribed under oath: A. Policy report of the accidents. B. Death certificate and evidence sufficient to establish the proper pay. C. Medical report of evidence of a medical or hospital reimbursement in the respect of which refund is made. Claim may be made against one motor vehicle only. War risk insurance, the law. War risk insurance is an insurance covering damage caused by acts of war. It includes coverage of war, hijacking, and related perils. Insurers have intended to withdraw liability coverage for weapons of mass destruction. A subset of war risk insurance includes radioactive contamination or dirty bombs, electromagnetic pulse devices, chemical biological weapons. Coverage has subsequently provided at full policy limits for passenger liability, but limited to a maximum of $50 million for all third-party injury and property damage. Thank you.